Hello there. I'm Lukindo and welcome to my walkthrough video on how to log in to Google Analytics. In this video, you will learn the ins and outs of accessing your Google Analytics account. Let's dive right in. There are two ways to access Google Analytics. One, through a standalone account, or via your linked Google Ads account. Let's go through both options. Our first option is through a standalone account. Simply open your web browser and enter the URL www.google.com/analytics and click enter. This directs you to the analytics page of the Google marketing platform. Look for the sign in to analytics button and click it. If you are already signed in to the Google account, for example, you are signed in to your Gmail account, you'll be taken directly to the analytics user interface. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to do so. So input your Gmail and password. Once you have signed into Analytics, you can open the account search at the top of any Analytics page to see the accounts and properties to which you have access. Our second option is via your linked Google Ads account. If you've linked Analytics to a Google Ads account, you can access it from there. So simply navigate to Tools and Settings on the top menu. This one. Go to the measurement column and you will see the Google Analytics. When you click this opens to a new tab in your browser. Logging into a Google Analytics is a straightforward process that grants access to a wealth of website insights. This includes a comprehensive view of your website's performance that enables data-driven decision making and supports the continuous improvement of your online presence. I hope you find this walkthrough video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at Wonks, Doctors for Your Data. Thank you for watching and see you next time.